Good afternoon and welcome to Thanksgiving, and we're going to be making a turkey in a Nesco oven. We have a turkey that we brined last night in the refrigerator, so it's been brining for 24 hours, so it's all ready to go. And we're going to be injecting the bird with some wine and some broth that we made last night. And here's a bowl. We're going to take some of this broth, put it into the bowl. You don't need that much. And put the wine in there. Yes, you can have a little for yourself if you want some wine. It's that kind of day. You definitely want wine. And we're going to put a little bit of olive oil. Not too much. Okay. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take our bird and we are going to wipe off any of the extra dry brine. Most of it has already been absorbed, so we're just going to wipe off the excess. Okay, because we don't want it to be so thick. Alright. Then we're going to take these vegetable ends and we're going to stuff the inside. This will give flavor. It is not going to add any extra cooking time. And it's easily taken apart. Alright. And then we have our trusty butcher's twine. Get some off. Trusty injection. Our girl is now going to go in our trusty Nesco oven. Just stick it right here. There we go. There she is. Get rid of this. Wash the hands. We're going to start injecting. Just take this. Draw it. Start injecting at the breast. If you notice some coming out, that's okay. Inject into the leg. Inject into the wing. A little into the thigh. Might have to. There we go. A little bit of poultry seasoning. We're going to take some herbs to Provence. We're going to juice that together. Some more olive oil. Mix it together. If you don't like getting your hands dirty, you can always use gloves. Okay, get that all over the bird. Wings, there, especially in the breast. And now, my girl is ready to go and start getting cooked. And we'll see you later, and we'll see how she was. Okay, thanks.
And here she is, out of the oven and ready to carve. Now you see our holiday table just waiting for guests. And here's the star of our show, the turkey that's been carved. It's moist and delicious. Next, twice baked potato casserole from my adopted mother number 1. Then we have sweet potato with caramel, pineapple, and cashews from adopted mother 2. Finally, we have oyster cornbread dressing, a recipe from my grandmother. And then there's the green bean and toasted garlic almonds. Hey, that's my recipe, okay? And finally, we have the spicy cranberry sauce. No canned sauce at my table. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Ingredient amounts, cooking times, and directions are on the website. Links for the side dishes are below. Happy holidays to all.